tell us, what is Buddhist philosophy? How does it differ from other philosophers? I once talked to the Dalai Lama, who told me that Buddhism is not necessarily a religion, that it can accept every religion. Is that so?
Buddhist teaching is very simple, actually. It's actually based in the mind, and it's very simple because everybody don't want suffering, and who really suffer is the mind, and who wish to be not to suffer is mind. So Buddhist teaching is based on the mind. So Buddha said very clear, he said his own word, you should not do physically, verbally, mentally something that harmful others or yourself, and should do something that benefits yourself and others. But then especially Buddhism says, Buddha said, tame your mind from negativity emotions, and that is the Buddha Dharma.
Some people who don't know Buddhism believe that the Buddha is a kind of a god, but that's not the case. Am I right?
Yes. In the West, our understanding of God is, in our Buddhist idea of Buddha is different. Reason behind Buddha we accept as a teacher, because he teaches things make sense, and so he is as a teacher, but he doesn't create the teachings. He said the teaching is the base of the human mind, but he shows what is actually going on. And especially he said very clearly that, for me is very helpful, is he said, do not believe right away what I say. Check, recheck, investigate, like a goldsmith checks gold. And you find it's valid, you find something is meaningful, then you want to practice, you should. But you don't see any valid, you don't see anything valuable, then you should not practice. And that is by the word, by the Buddha himself.
Reincarnation is an integral part of the scheme of thought of Buddhism?
Yes, yes, we do. Because reincarnation is not the physical, they again talk about the mind. Everybody thinks mind is only sort of one, but it is a belief. Buddhism says, you are not one. Now, right now, this moment is already past. Second moment arises, you have different steps set, different kind of thoughts arises. So each mind, each thought is a reincarnation of the previous thoughts. So Buddhism says that you see right now, the mind produced, it increases a different stream of mind. That means mind must have a part of mind who comes from the mind. So that we talk about mind is very important.